Okay, so what's up, guys? Welcome to today's edition. I'm still going to continue working on the electronics of the car, try to finish up most of it today, then see where it heads, where it leads me. But for now, let's start working. So what's up guys? So as you can see, I've been able to finish a lot of work today, as in really a lot of work has been done. All the wire harness here, it's done nicely and neatly done, as well as this part. So tomorrow I'll be continuing at this end of it. I'll be doing this part of the wiring harness. I'll be fixing this one. This is the wire for the radio system. Then from there I'll move to this side of the front dash, then probably the down part here, then it will all be done nicely and neatly done. So we are getting somewhere. The progress is going very well. I like it. Thanks to my man who came to help me for today, and I did a good job. So thank you guys, keep watching. So it's a wrap for today. We've been able to do much, and then we'll catch you tomorrow. But please subscribe to the channel, like, and leave a comment for us so that we can improve on our work and speed up with our work. Thank you and see you.